Hello friends, this is Dr. Nikita here, your mentor, educator and friend. And in this video, I'm going to talk about a technique that you can use to overcome your fears. For the students, this is particularly to overcome the fear of the exam and its results. And for everybody else, this can apply to any situation where you face fear. Now remember that fear is our biggest enemy. It does not allow us to take the action, and then we regret when we don't take the action. So this technique is called as the worst case scenario technique. So what you need to do is imagine about what is the worst case scenario that can occur, if you do a particular thing. So let's say that you are preparing for an exam and you don't get the desired results. What is the worst case scenario that can happen? Maybe you don't qualify the exam, leave alone getting a desired rank. What will happen after that? If you don't get the desired results in this particular attempt, don't you have a chance to give another attempt? Is it like the end of the world कि इसके बाद आप exam नहीं दे सकते? No, right? You must have seen many of your seniors who might have not been able to clear the exam in 1 attempt, 2 attempts, 3 attempts, 4 attempts, but finally they did it. And then they are doing very well in their profession. For doctors, no patient comes and asks that, sir or ma'am, in what attempt did you clear your PG entrance exam? Right? So it really does not matter. So especially for the droppers, please get over that feeling ki I could not do in the first attempt. I know that with every attempt, the stress of performance increases, the performance pressure increases, but at the same time, remember that I have seen my seniors who have cleared the exam after 4 attempts, 5 attempts, but now in their practice they are doing very well, right? So what you need to do is, for the worst case technique, is imagine what is the worst case scenario, right? Then you think about how you are going to deal with that. Let's say ki I don't get the desired results in the exam. How will I deal with that? Will I just sit back and cry over it कि मेरा result अच्छा नहीं आया and waste my time and not prepare for the next attempt? Or will I just bounce back and prepare in a much better way for the next attempt? Visualize how would you handle your parents, your family, your society if you don't get the desired results. So when you do this, basically you are getting ready if at all that situation arises in your life. So I'm pretty sure that this will give you more confidence to face that situation if at all it happens. The other thing is, this might not happen at all, and when it does not happen, then you would laugh at yourself thinking that, faltu mein I was taking so much tension and I was getting stressed out. So the worst case technique basically helps you to prepare yourself to handle that situation if that occurs in future. You should also be doing it for the exam hall. Anticipate the worst case scenarios that can occur. Let's say ki due to some reason I'm not getting entry into the examination hall, or my entry is getting delayed, and I think that mera time waste ho raha hai, my friends, my competitors are getting more time. How will I deal with that? My computer system suddenly got shut off, or wo start nahi ho raha hai, mera time ja raha hai. Whether I will get panicked, how will I face that situation? I will take some deep breaths and try to calm myself. This will be fine very soon. So when you anticipate, don't just anticipate ki worst case scenario kya hai. Also anticipate that how will you tackle that situation, because this is basically like the preparedness. पढ़ते PSM में disaster management के लिए preparedness. So we are actually prepared to face that situation. It's not a new thing for us. So write it down, all the worst case scenarios, uske samne write it down, how would you tackle it if at all it arises. So very, very important to practice this, especially for the students appearing for the exam, so that you are prepared to handle any situation in the examination hall and you don't get panicked. I hope you would apply this technique in your life and this helps you to overcome your fears. So that was for this one. Thank you so much for watching. I would see you in my next one very soon. Till then, goodbye, take care and keep studying, keep revising and keep winning. Thank you.